create and configure report cards on Testpress. Click on Report Card to access the Report Cards feature. Now click the Create Report Card button to start adding a new report card. Afterwards, enter a title for your report card in this text field. Then, enable the checkbox to allow teachers to add remarks on the report card. Next, navigate to Sections and Groups. Click the Add Section button to create your first report section. Following that, enter a section title in the text field for your report card. Select section type and click Save to confirm and create the section. Next, click the Add Group button to create a new group within this section. Following that, enter the title and the minimum and maximum marks for the subject group. Then, select the nearest rounding option like nearest 1, nearest 5, etc. Afterwards, click the Next button to proceed to the Items and Mapping step. Next up, click Add your first item to attach exams to the group. Now select Exam section to specify the content source for score calculation. Next up, select the exams from the drop-down to assign this exam to your report card. After that, click the Save button to confirm and store your report card configuration. Following that, click the Next button to proceed to the Review and Publish step. You can view the report overview, which you can publish. After that, click View Reports to access the detailed student report information. After that, click View to access the detailed student report card information. You can view the individual scholastic report. From here, you can add your remarks to the student. You can also clone the report to create a duplicate copy of this card. Enjoyed the guided demo? Learn more about our features and benefits on our website, testpress.tech.